Hey, man, have you ever replaced a part on your golf cart or went out there to work on it and put a part that was no good on there, so you replace everything else? Now, this is going to be about a topic, man. I'm going to, first time I ever did one of these, I'm going to rely on my viewers and my subscribers, all right? I've had a lot of customers, well, not customers, but excuse me, a lot of viewers and subscribers on my page comment on there that they put a controller on the cart, and according to all the data that they give me as far as the voltage, every voltage checks fine, the floorboard micro switch checks fine, everything checks good on there. So they tell me, well, I put a new controller on there in the cart, and the cart still does the same thing. But then when I start asking questions, I noticed about 100% of them have replaced the controller with one of them Chinese controllers you can buy about $100, $115. Because you look at these, you can see you got number one brand Curtis, and y'all know on this page Curtis, and you got the Curtis. Now y'all know on this page here, I don't push no information or no product that I don't think is no good. I don't care if they pay me $5,000. I wouldn't push a product that I don't believe in. So if you see something on my page pushed, you know it's something I've tried and I've used over the years. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm not one of your average YouTubers that has about 50 different videos on different types of shavers, different types of batteries. It ain't about the money, man. It's about saving money here. One part only. But here I'm relying on the viewers and subscribers and my members to comment the experience you have had with the aftermarket Chinese controller. In my opinion, what I've been told is they're no good, man. I've had one guy message me on YouTube just to say this. Pass on to your viewers and your subscribers and members that do not buy the Chinese controllers. They're no good. All right, flat out from another business owner. All right. So I'm asking all y'all that work in my golf cart shops, or if you're in the backyard working, power to you, brother. That's how we got to do. Comment below, man. Let's have some question and answer amongst in the chat, man, amongst everybody, and because this is probably the only thing I can tell you, man, that I don't know about the Chinese. I don't know about them, which is the Chinese controllers. If I had to bet money on them, according to what I've seen, what I've talked to on YouTube, I wouldn't buy one if you give it to me. All right? Because remember, if you want to get a controller and you don't want to change it 2 or 3 times, get a Curtis. All right? No, this ain't no paid sponsor for damn sure. I'm just doing this strictly for my viewers and subscribers. All right? No more to it. So, all right, man, I want to see some comments about y'all's opinion, what y'all experience, if y'all have used them. Because you can see everything we have here, man. Everything I have in here. Let's see what this is. The Curtis. FSIP. Now, FSIP makes a good controller. All right? FSIP and Curtis, only ones I buy from. All right, man, but I want to see some active chats in the bottom, man. Let me get y'all's opinion because I don't know myself. And I'm asking y'all to depend on y'all watch my channel because of me. I want to watch it because of y'all's comments. I want to see exactly y'all's opinion of why it's doing this. I mean, are they good or no good? Should I buy one or not buy one? All right. And then, man, I appreciate it if you did that, man. Just make sure you watch my next video, man. I got a good video coming out. Actually, I have about 70, 80 videos scheduled over the next year to come out. If you want early access to them, you just become a member, you can watch them. A bunch of troubleshooting, a bunch of general knowledge, a bunch of information I think you need to know. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.